Kettlebells are a super good way to get into shape. How to use them? I'll show you in this video. We're gonna do a guided workout that's 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Let's get started. The first exercise is gonna be kettlebell chest presses. And go. We're gonna do one side at a time. Keep it nice and slow. Keep it going, guys. We got 45 seconds on each side. No need to count the number. Just keep the arm moving. 45 seconds. All right, guys, the time's up. We're going to switch to the other side, just like this. Got 4 seconds. And go. About 10 seconds, guys. Perfect. All right, we're gonna stand up. Next exercise is the single arm bent over rows. You have one foot back like this, rowing back just like this. Again, we're doing one side and then we'll do the other side. And you rest the other hand on your knee. And perfect. All right, guys, 15 seconds, and then we're gonna shift over to the other arm. All right, down like this, and go ahead. Keep it nice and slow. Just going for the 45 seconds. About 10 seconds left. Perfect. All right, guys, the next exercise is going to be kettlebell squats. You're going to hold this just like this. Hold it by the bulb. Get in the squat position. And go ahead. Down. Back up just like this. And perfect. The next exercise is going to be kettlebell shoulder presses. You can have it over like this, or to make it even more challenging, you can make it upright like this, but it might slip. I'm actually going to do this one so it doesn't slip. All right, up and down, back just like this.
Girl, where did you come from? Never seen a girl move.
Nice and slow, guys. You got 45 seconds. And if you have to stop, that's okay. I hold my other hip just to make sure my hips aren't out of line when I'm pushing with one side like this. Perfect. We're gonna be doing the other arm. All right, up just like this. Perfect. All right, guys. The next exercise we're going to be doing is kettlebell deadlifts. You're going to hold it in the middle just like this. Hips go back. Hips come forward just like this. Hips go back. Hips come forward. You're not squatting. You're hinging at the hips. You're gonna feel a little bit of a stretch in your hamstrings. About 5 seconds left. Perfect. All right, guys, this next one, you're going to use the kettlebell as a marker. It's going to be like this. You're going to be lifting your legs up and over, back and forth just like this for the core. Fifteen seconds left, guys. Perfect. All right, guys, final exercise is going to be kettlebell swings. This one might be a little hard to understand, but what you're going to do is hip hinge like the deadlift and use your hips to swing the kettlebell forward. So you want that momentum. So if I let go of this thing, it's still in the air. I'm not holding it up at all with my shoulders. I'm using my hips to swing and get the weight to come up. About 10 seconds left. Three, Awesome job today, guys. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment what you want me to do next. Thanks.